To set trailing stop loops in the Moomoo app, start by opening the app and clicking on the Accounts option at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a screen displaying your total assets, where you can scroll down and select the position you want to set a trailing stop loop for. You can choose any position. Once you've selected a position, click on it to open the position page, which will show you the details of your selected position. From there, click the button at the bottom of the screen. Then select the order type option, which will give you a range of options to choose from. Choose either the trailing stop limit or the trailing stop option, depending on your preferences. Next, enter the price at which you want to sell when the market price drops. Enter the amount, and click the Sell button. Your trailing stop order will then be placed. The process is quick and easy, and by following these steps, you can set a trailing stop loop in the Moomoo app.